Enti baby I say the President John Mahama obi anom friend say me say den kra to abida kokwa akuafo no e den kra bi asan say me fa koma Mahama an o ne run dia be kokobo si o mkire say Mahama hye bi 2004 ni mo e ma no so ntinom kwa to abade de Mahama boom but o ma hwa che 2 years in ye o monte he nti so Mahama da bay ana bo hye nsem na Mahama be hye ye no o be so da bay ana Mahama e de baba kokwa akuafo no abeka o mu akwese mewia amwata ase no akire wadwe e de amame e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media mesro say didi mu obe like video no da ma subscribe button sambe click notification icon of latest update na be kire wadwe de amame e wo comment section obaso a no she for so anya bia hwe no kan phone nala money se na Penyah de ama o USA o UK open sense ka e de be fia aye nala ana 26 no bia AUCB for sense ka ebre fie for promo code Penyah TV no be cho 20 amazing dollars obi just sense ka to any other African country bia so enya Ghana nko a be bia any other African country bia so but sense ka area come translate very fast o send ya na do fee na emuna na ya 20 amazing dollars. Let's go to the story. Ebusi ya call 24 elections ni mu no before say Mahama open start the campaign ni bibia de ne boshan sem aba no o kan sem bi e kire Ghana for o kan sem me John Mahama am ya assurance of God asole panyini na meje nyame di eje Bible di enim say Bible say nyame wo hoy sabi o chini nkwase afo boshe so be shebo na wuni so de nyame wo ye na chi wade etimi me John Mahama ade bia meka akire mu bia no meye de mi ntimi nye me nka akire mu.
What I can promise you is that I will be truthful to you. I will never tell you lies. I will never tell you things that I can't do.
Mahama e kan say we Emma or the convincing Ghana for the share your boss say ene ne bo hye nsem bi a wo hye de ba akom yenu miensa no ono Mahama obedi so you say oya so the panyini ontimi mu assurance of God for any wase na bi so when you say that akwa say we go assurance of God for nyina ni wase asoro panyini ma na twa say ntwa yi enti Mahama ka dan say we en wachi ene no de bo hye nsem de say botwo kokwa akuafo bebirebe ade eche no obeka se ye ba kokwa akuafo no mo ma na mo school ni nyina no ye bi wo nyina scholarship free ade eche no asa beka kokwa akuafo no ye ba wo yere ene ma ye bi mo nyina special health service se mo yare a ye wo special health e bia ye de be ma mo no obeka to no okọ Mahama ke kan bo sha ye ba kokwa akuafo koko bo no ye betum da koduru ebuo sei e de amom 60 million mo ntoma ye
koko farmers a wo Ghana ha abani yo to be wanyi hona ndi ni ye kra abani yo to be we sisimu bebre abani wa fa mu sika bebre de da me peda me kan yi de koko no bono koko bag biala abani boton wa bochi oya sika 9,800 oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis one bag there's a 98 million cedis Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there. Or that ban oche de miska mu abasa. So chema abasa no no wa fakul. No the cocoa farm and wa man ebien. Then we bani ought to be only the west in Italy. Oh no wa for ebien. No wa man cocoa farm and the the way. It's cocoa bag the biala or the water and ko that ban on my cocoa farmer 65 million Ghana cedis. 65 million Ghana cedis. Instead of my 65 million Ghana citizens, I buy one cocoa farmer or 30 million. And that's extra 3,000 Ghana citizens. And 65 and one more 30 million. And whatever you win there, I ban it or you in there. Usika MPP, I ban wafa, or yeah, bag Biala, what 20 year, Usika 35 million. We're going to present a Gufado, Union Baumia, and the MPP, I ban what we're going to one.
ye ba kokwa adwan abe kra behwe na obeka guo no okọ Mahama e kan ya koduru point so kan se oba na mamuo mu kokwa afu bi ewura mu a ye betu boho e wo ho e de amamo de politank abesi wo no so that say enso ento e kodu bre bi se yakowura dry season se enso ento a obetim de eno anaye as irrigation
Enti omo de bibia ba somewhat I say no for ho asem. Moka say ye by election bi wa say no. Moka njumi omo de ba am say ye di o chaso poku sikano ye di.
The Western North region has 9 parliamentary seats. The National Democratic Congress is optimistic about gaining all 9 in the region. Currently, the NDC holds 6 seats, while the NPP holds the remaining 3. On the second day of his tour of the region, the NDC presidential candidate visited the Bia East, Bia West, Dwabuso, and many other constituencies. In his speech, presidential candidate John Mahama expressed concern about what he described as the collapse of the cocoa sector. He announced plans to introduce year-round irrigation to support cocoa farmers.
Adefofro ayedeba yehu se efie wotwe MPP betra aban kwaye ni nyina omotwetwa egu omotwetwa kwaye ni nyina enti enne oba western north edru opebra obeka se wo srem enso enye sa na netie enti amakoko endua no enti me nsuru ye.
We have realized that 8 years after the NPP came into government, they have destroyed all our forests. During the Harmattan season in the Western North region, the impact is severe. Our new arrangement is that if you have a cocoa farm, we will drill a borehole on your farm and provide a storage facility so you can conserve water during the rainy season.
Wherefore no 15, you better be 2 borehole near the Politan Kesi ho. And it's your known to na with the host, na with the sheshe cocoa no so. Send a bear a bessery ama yetime nyeska.
John Mahama took another jab at President Akufo-Addo over a statue erected in his honor, saying if he had indulged in self-glorification like the president, there would be countless statues of him in various locations across the country.
Na Nyakamwa, and it's a statue. Yakawa normal kosi statue. Nipa unyan free abemu. I say we free abemu na enkrofo kai wejuma pa. Na omoka so omo bo abaso ni akosi statue amao. And so unyan koi. And na oko wa opa o statue huntoma. Ezu.
All they know is to erect statues. You haven't even left office yet. Normally, you leave office first so people can assess your good works and reward you with it. But engaging in self-glorification while still in office, is that how it's done? If I were to erect statues for the good works I have done, I would put one at Temahabo, another at Kotoka Airport Terminal 3, one at the University of Ghana Medical Center, and another at the Kwame Nkrumah Interchange, Kaswa Interchange, and KJTR Market. My statues would be all over the country. What's worse is that even the projects around the monuments you erected haven't been completed. How does that make sense?
Ezu, anka obehu mi statue wo Ghana hanyina. And so we baby or this statue no ko see ya. Enjuma oya wo ho nyina onwie. Hospital a omudi ko see hospital name yenwie yesinwie. Eyi interchange na yesi no China for no yenwie. Takrade market edwa no yenwie. Ekwan no poni roundabout a statue ni si so no yenwie. Ezu
ana kugwa for to nyina yetri o se me wa po okuku o me wa po okuku kwedi eti nyina to yetri ya pa de pa sanka scratch ka be dem what I say anka me just scratch akọ amonada kusuade but ye nyina go to ba Mahama ko ya pa de pa de Mahama etena kwa 2025 na etena kwa 2025 na ekoduru epu mu ni ase ko ntumu ebeba eti Mahama ebe kasa no be ka o kire mu say hey Ghana for oh, so when you say he ko pass as do koku dey koku adwuma na ayekra behwe emu be ye de sike bebem na enche bia mo bete se ya betu koku obuom entumu ebeba na entumu ebeba nde ebe ye kama e se when you say ko pass as na sha ase do koku.
and a way to revamp the collapsed cocoa sector. Incentives will be provided to our hard-working farmers to increase cocoa production. We aim to add 200,000 hectares of cocoa to Ghana's output in order to increase income of our farmers. And to cocoa farmers, the Cocoa Board Chief Executive has informed me that in August they will announce the new cocoa producer price. And I can assure you, the price is going to be a very, very, very good price. So those of you who don't have cocoa farms, go and start looking for land and start planting cocoa.
Mahama, I can see with the Chiragana for no. Is any to our surprise and to our shock. And one of Mahama can say cocoa the above to Munakobaya. Na eswati shim from 36 million to 25 million. No, I catch there say 25 million. No, a kama a water source in 36 million. Na other ya MPP time nobody calculation. You be now world market you say na now where you say now we say it's yes we personal world market price you say now where you say to 25 million. A kama as 36 million hono. Ana kwekwe for na bem as a ebu there's a boss and Mahama saying in the ebusi I start AC boss bank akakba boho ne bezu to amomu mfuo ni ade ade mu no na eno so eda so omani eda so da so omu twa se de omu de no ebe no mu so atwen wo pe se ebo no afeli a e bi ada wan so de emfiri bara busia oni me nyina de adanse se ye ko 2 years mu ni scholarship for co farmers no ye ntehwe even scholarship secretariat kra no omu amono ne Kofko dinka dom kwa na nsem bro flag ka tira se omuso be demonstration etia aban cause omusika aban ne famai na se omu kura ne omu hu ano ka be kwa fo omu ba he na sa aban no ba all standard what kwa fo na di na no ana kwa fo si de his excellency I said o ya de mpanifo ya da ne nkura yi I said o ya fo mpanifo nkwase afo eni de mama hama o ya so de bagiri o shebo esa dia wuntimi nya no nka wo so na kan so obema egboho obema scholarship any ade but akosi say we any semu a kokwakuafo no abeka de kire Mahama
nka je so weekend mi kokoko fa
ukobo kokoko ni bidi
na edre dia se kokoko ejuna na ni babe 24 President John Mahama ehye kokwakuafo bo say obetutu borehole no the politics akwesi kokofa ene mi bisa mampani say saadie no ni refi anaso kai anaso wontumi ye anaso ne wonum say enya de obetumi aye enti wo ka de adada kokoapiafo ene kokoapiafo no se menka nche mampani Mahama say they are waiting for one the borehole and the politics in the cocoa farm. The reality is that you and I know say it cannot happen. It cannot. Minimum your mama and penny to Ghana for cocoa farm. Because cocoa farm. Oh, I am speaking on their behalf.
No, can I obey?
Or say one obey cocoa farm bia and the politics so na cocoa farm no.
Let's go so GD obey. Tako cook ye ni say. Enti mampani ejina simpie so a o ka set wa ba mame na ba ma betu borehole e wo kokoko afuo na me the polytank esi so awa nsu ama wo wo kokoko hweni no ugidiye
okay it puts the president in a very tight corner e ma me twini say wo ye dadafo wo wono a wo kwa afuo no mu kodada if ma if tie biaba ne di ye no ebi anu no okita o because you know very well say in that cocoa farm there are no lights
ama
but mampani Mahama no wonim say at that time no dada cocoa kwefo ontumi nye isan say even pump na o de be shefam no ba ku bia bo na fam uwie so a akoto polytank that's it we have millions of cocoa farmers
no cocoa keni bia na nse na no
na what's of go to do what's enough
and yeah say we no aye
your mama or your man weni where to Ghana wo MPP baba Ghana abaso or your man weni where to Ghana wo MPP baba Ghana babaso
Ghana. Hey, John Mahama. Oyo mambofu papa mu kwa mu kanchire no. Wa buru yensu papa. Hey. Samika sanso beti. Obati pa John Mahama. oyo wudini ankasa hwɛ koko yi ayeye ansa na wo bedo koko ho bibia mpon ye bufu se wo de pɛyi ka koko no ehoho wa bɛwe wo no enkran ye bɛwe wo no entati ye bɛwe wo no emu nsase ye bɛhyew wo fi ha bɛ me ba wo bɛtwere wo ho saa na mama ɛda na wo ye mo kanche mama pa se in fact why ate
aban yo tisi opese koko na ewo 25,800 no opese o san tisi biom na se eyampa dia etisa dia Ghana ekuafo ye betu ndefi kokko pa e dia che endisi aban na ne ekuafo
je he mo ma wotwe mama awotwe na odo ekufa ne ta na mu na e ma wotwe wo hwe mpo onye ya eno ma e ma hwa no eno onye ya nkaka na ya bodu ma na ba edu menua sensu so kada oburu wa kada nsu na oburu man kro pampamo amanya mi hu no enga ataweyi enga ono nka be fi ha hwemubu to asap ense mi ka cha Mahama ana atofo se da owoze anya bi amawase wa wo ma no kura no omomade anfa na nado ni 31 no anfa mreye ni anfa bi nhwe yamba
na emra na nado etutu koko mu na koko no bu ye den no menye ayidado bi de masan maje ekwaye bebre ka ho anokwasem ni metu nyankofo bebre fo de womra na yen yaku adwuma osande wo botum wa gina ku adwuma no do na wo pade wo abrabo atumpon a etu anokwasem ni Mahama obakade oroti koko mu akọ 2008 6,500 another 7,000 yanyina ya presikanti ya bose na anokwa mejina ha miraho dama suna mimda wonsoso uraho osande riya koko adwuma na ezakwa enyim nti media mo ha ma anto president Mahama de wadi yenhwemo Ghana youth yadi yaro ho hye koko adwuma no mu wadi ehwemo
tedama papa beke amso damara me emba awotwe nanatu akawruma of the free SHS aba otabo hen enti eye afiyara wo bi school na mo famba no wo boko school no enyima ma bofra ko we school wo adwuma ko ma do bebi amam so mo ko hen menye sika tuto nzama yi nara na wake sika kakra me brother ko ha ya asame ma kokoko krate honorable ma wo sabe mo hu damid na chi onso da maroto koko na ma afra ma brother apofena yi no wake bi di kakra na wo mo zin wo bom kakra aso ma de na kodu ne o me ti koko 50 bucks me da ko depo won chi ai wo ya campaign wo be jira ho wo si nana ekufadu ni bawumia wo sisiga na nkwafo ewa anti sawonu wo ba nyame hu na dum ana mama ana ya abrewa no mpamocho ya ma meti nto ya abrewa because abrewa de entumi sisano wo bai masa wo oboto koko 75 or 65 no ana an bebe wo de akodu meka se mebe no wa befe
me masa man se koko no mi wo kakra koko no kitwe bi mpo de ko sela won to kra afin so me nko yezum lion na me mbla afe kro na fana yakwa council wa wazi yanko na na ekufu ade ono no wan fe yes kaman nti yesra wala wan fa yes kaman papa ya wa betina so di obon ya buru ye okunye papa zoom lion sika na wa ma 3 million o 2.8 no so sisi oba nsu entumentu amaye yes rena lomfa 2.8 no ne afiku po mfa ma ne enfendi di ne ye ble
ekuafo esa ye kasani nyina ye ka koko yensu ye obi a ye dua cash crop entorowa enyadoa ne nkruma no na ade emo sisi a ye wo mu gu ho a ye nya tofo ye bia enyado a ye nya tofo enso MPP time na emo ye nso tompo ye dura afiri so a ne ye kire ye ho ene ye ne awu e wa afiri so enti ye sre mo abekasa de mommoa yen na MPP ba yenso yene ye cash crop no mama yenso yentimi nhwa ye ma efisa yen me ba eco school eduaba ya na mpia hwe me ba mo wie kole ene ne owo SS me ntumi nhwe no MPP time na mitimi hwe me ma enti me sramo mama yentuma MPP na yentumi nhwe ye ma no omusu nya gina bi o papa na yansu yanya dan yankofra abomu no yatumi adidi medamo ase
abo aponche ne nam ne dem ati se kun ne de yediban mo yifre yi mo we otede woni takrama so na sanya ne fe ne wanda wase akoro ne tama menhye ne bu lori hwan yi ada woye ma ndc fu na anya wo fe from now going na ba ye botu yi yanto aba yan fa MPP no moto ni nyuma pado mana ato
mama wazisi ye warada ye orade ya warada yan de bra mudu kokoko 31 na wo ba de kakra bo so ru ne sa dada ye na yiwe wan ya sa gwer enti bo kwa mun ganje nso no hire mun ganje o asisi wo the whole Ghana asisi Ghana man ndi yesra hum mo de mun kase maye mun kase maye de ye kwa grasi bi ohini wo fa pain na pain asi mo asisi ye asisi zuna man asisi Ghana fu ina
koko na wato din e kan ya papa paye ye amama ye ma wo ko school ye ntumi tia wo school fees ni po ye botu a asam yesu chese koko na wato din first na watum one bag etumi tia school fees ima sabi kakraka me yesu ye bi yade ye nkwan na de watu di amama ye nkwan po ye ntumi ye ni ye bi ye de tia ye ma wo school fees enti same masa ma de sra me de to ayi me da me pa won cho papa paye de wa ba ebodue wo kwa won kan cha ye panyin de ya mo fra na wo ko school wo ble tese ye kokko ni wa to do nta ma mo fra wo school e okwa me de wo papa nti won cha na yi na ma hwa mo fra
na mi a me gina hey sabi mo watu kokko sui mesi de na menya ko esika me de ahwe me ma wo secondary school and university Intrami nana John Mahama so who me mabwa na me ma wa call them no mayim na me benya baby njina na da chi me ya bro wa hwam me dan ya me ase
ugwe chere wa ajene e dia mame e wo comment section ai Penyah Block Media Accra